welcome to Awakened Life TV. This video is about this channel and what you can expect by subscribing and following on this channel. My name is Narayani Gaia and I am a healer, mentor, and coach. I've been a holistic healing practitioner for 90 years, for 20 years. On this channel, you can expect to receive information and guidance around manifesting, around creating magic from your intention, around healing your past, meaning healing any relationship issues, heartbreak, family issues, and around awakening. And what is awakening? Awakening is about coming into the realization that you are a spiritual being having a human experience. As you enter on the awakening path, you have an opportunity to shift the way that you see things from the perspective that you alone are the doer into the vision that spirit and energy that makes up life is actually in charge. Now, once you have that realization, there's a lot of things that come up as obstacles, like making day-to-day decisions, like keeping your relationship smooth, like making money, navigating through the sensitivity that awakening provides. Because when you awaken, you become more aware of energy, you become more aware of the subtlety that makes up life, and so then you become more sensitive. And when you become more sensitive, that affects how your relationships are, where you go, what you do with your time, what you do with your energy. So on this channel, we're going to be getting into ways that you can walk an awakened life, you can be awake and also be a full functioning member of Mother Earth and do your part to help support awakening possibly for others as you do the inner work to navigate through your own sensitivities and to turn them into your superpowers, because we need people that are awake, meaning that they're loving, that they realize the truth of the nature of who we are, and that are committed to doing the inner work and also the outer work to help wake up the world in a way that really brings love and that brings healing so that our planet can be here for future generations. Awakening is also really about knowing yourself, knowing who you are, knowing your issues, but also knowing your greatness and how to navigate through those family patterns and those dysfunctional patterns that may be keeping you from really claiming the full spirit of who you are. I'll be posting weekly with new updated videos on tips and tools to support your awakened life, your healing journey, and your manifesting journey in this time in 2020 and beyond. You are. So if this speaks to you, click subscribe below and join the Awaken TV channel, and you'll be updated on the new videos as they come out. Thanks for taking the time to check this out.